The Charles Law V1t1 interactive calculator solves gas volume and temperature relationships using Charles's law principles. Let's explore the input fields. First, there's a drop-down menu to select calculation mode with 6 options: calculate final volume V2, calculate final temperature T2, calculate initial volume V1, calculate initial temperature T1, calculate volume temperature ratio, and calculate percent change. For this demonstration, I've selected calculate final volume V2. The 4 input fields are initial volume V1, initial temperature T1, final volume V2, and final temperature T2. Now, for a worked example, I'll enter 10 for initial volume V1, 10 for initial temperature T1, 10 for final volume V2, and 10 for final temperature T2. After clicking Calculate, here are the results. Final volume V2 shows 10,000 liters. The calculator confirms our inputs. Initial volume 10,000 liters. Initial temperature 10 degrees Kelvin, final volume 10,000 liters, and final temperature 10 degrees Kelvin. The VT ratio equals 1,000 liters per Kelvin, indicating constant ratio as expected from Charles's law. Both volume change and temperature change show 0.00% since our values are identical. The calculator also converts temperatures, showing T1 in Celsius as negative 263.15 degrees Celsius, and T2 in Celsius as negative 263.15 degrees Celsius. This calculator streamlines Charles's law calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.